In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new publication on Substack. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, setting up your own newsletter can be both exciting and rewarding. So let's dive right in and get started on bringing your ideas to life. First things first, you need to head over to your Substack homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot your account icon, a crucial access point for managing your publications and subscriptions. Click on your account to open a menu where you'll select Settings. This will lead you to a new page full of options related to your account and content, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On this settings page, there's a section marked Publications. This area is your command center for all the content you're planning to share. Within this section, you'll find an option to create a new publication. Clicking on this is your first official step towards establishing a new presence on Substack. Before moving ahead, it's important to think about a catchy and memorable name for your publication. This name will also be part of your publication's URL, making it easier for your audience to find you. Remember, a compelling name can do wonders in attracting readers. As with most online platforms, Substack might require you to solve a CAPTCHA, just a small step to verify that you're indeed a real person setting things up. Once you've completed this, click on Continue to progress to the next phase of your publication setup. At this point, Substack will prompt you to import an existing mailing list, if you have one. This is a great opportunity to bring over existing subscribers or contacts into your new Substack publication, helping to immediately grow your audience. However, if you don't have an existing list ready or prefer to start afresh, you can easily skip this step. Rest assured, you can add subscribers as your newsletter evolves and gains traction. You'll also be given the option to invite subscribers at this stage. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your audience, but it's not essential, so don't worry if you choose to bypass it for now. Remember, subscribers can always be added later as your publication develops. Finally, before completing your setup, Substack asks you to recommend 5 other publications on the platform. This isn't just about goodwill, it helps to build a sense of community and strengthens your visibility among your peers. And there you have it. With all these steps out of the way, you're officially ready to start your new publication on Substack. All set to share your creativity and insights with the world, you can now enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to light. Happy publishing, and may your journey on Substack be both fulfilling and successful.